First Florida Motorsports is pleased to present this 2002 Chevy Corvette convertible. Torch red, red interior, white top. Beautiful rear color combination. Well equipped, all new Michelin tires. Only 45,000 miles. This car is absolutely pristine. You see plenty of rubber on the tires. Tiny bit of wear on the convertible top from pristine. Look at the carpets. Comes with two sets of mats, the original factory mats in red and the Lloyd mats in black. You can see the dash is perfect. Bose Sound automatic.